Present arms!
Oregon's Secretary of State Dennis Richardson was remembered in the state's capital. He was the lone Republican to hold statewide office in the state, and he died on February 26th after a fight with brain cancer. This is a really rare event in Oregon. The last time a state funeral was held at the Capitol was in 1983 when former Governor Tom McCall was remembered there. And Richardson's office was really keen on honoring him in this way because they see him as a unique Republican for this time. He is a longtime sort of conservative lawmaker and really honed a reputation for that. But when he became Secretary of State in 2016, you also saw him developing a more bipartisan stance in some notable ways. And now the question becomes, who will be the next Secretary of State? Governor Kate Brown is going to appoint someone to that position, and she needs to appoint a Republican. But it's so far unclear who will fill Richardson's seat.